Getting our educational video out for today, I wanted to talk about how to decide if your problem is actually a neck problem or a shoulder problem. A lot of people get a ton of pain and dysfunction back through here, sometimes severe, sometimes shooting, stabbing, burning, and it gets misdiagnosed as a shoulder problem when it's really a neck problem. So what I wanted to talk about was the difference in being able to tell how you're having, what type of problem you're having and what it's like. So many people get a lot of pain and dysfunction through here, and a lot of people think that it's actually a shoulder problem. What goes on through here is you have these things inside your neck. They're called sclerotomes. That's a real fancy word, but basically what happens is they control and regulate all this area here. So a lot of times when people have actual neck problems or neck dysfunction, when the neck gets really inflamed, it actually refers some pain down through here. So people tend to think because it hurts here that that's what's causing the problem. So people do a lot of stretching, they roll on a lacrosse ball, they get a deep tissue massage, and then they really just think that this is the problem in here. And a lot of times it gets misdiagnosed as a shoulder problem. A true shoulder problem will be out through here, and usually that's more discomfort, some pain, achy type of feel. When this problem's in here, you get that sharp, stabbing, burning type of pain. So the difference is in the details. And if you have a problem with that, it's getting to the right doctor that can figure those details out. Because I've seen so many of these problems completely misdiagnosed. I've even seen people end up having shoulder surgery back through here when the problem with their neck all along and they're actually worse off. So the attention to the details is key, and getting to a doctor that can evaluate you from a functional standpoint will really help you decide if you're having a neck or shoulder problem. So if you know anyone that's having that problem, please feel free to tag them in this or send us a message. But our goal is to get people educated and understand what's going on so you can get the best resolution for your pain and injury. We'll see